Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trim sounds on TikTok. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your TikTok application to begin. Once you're inside your TikTok app, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. You'll open up the camera for your TikTok app. Go ahead and take a video of your choice or add any kind of a video that you'd like to edit. And now, tap on Add Sound button at the top of the screen. Select the sound you want from the options. Once you find the song, give it a tap. Now, tap on the scissor icon right next to the song. This takes you to the TikTok's sound trimming tool. From here, trim the sound by swiping the sound wave towards the right or the left side and pick the particular area of the song that you'd like to include on your video. Once you're done trimming a sound on TikTok, tap Done at the top right. That is how you can easily trim a sound on your TikTok application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.